Wait, how to turn off videos from people you may know notifications on TikTok. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it. Then when TikTok is open, you will just go down here on profile, then on profile click, and then go to this three line, click on it, and then go to settings and privacy. After this, on settings and privacy, go to notifications and go down little, and you will find videos from people you may know. So turn off now this option by clicking here on this place, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.